What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to our episode 8 of my web development journey. And in this episode, we will covering our simple form project. And in this part, we will be having our H1 paragraph form, also label and input for this part 1 of this episode 8 series. So let's start. First, we will make our header, our H1. So our H1 will be a simple survey form for One Piece. That's our H1, and uh, under it will be a simple sentence, and we will be using a paragraph p element. So this one will be fill. Next, after that, we're done our heading. So we will make a form, and then our form will have an action attribute. So action attribute will be if you submit a form, it will go to the action attribute. Our action attribute will be this website. It is the free code camp website. And also we need to put method. There are two methods, get and post. I will using post. And also ID. The ID of this is survey. Next is our we will make three label for the name, email, and age. So first label is for the name. Next label, this is name, and under the name we will be putting where you can type in the input. So if you can see in the output of our project, there's the name, and then this one is the input. Under the input, the type is text, and ID is name. Also, name attribute will be name, and also placeholder will be enter your. And next will be, we will put a required element, because name, you need to input name, you cannot skip name. So we will put a required attribute. Next will be email, and for ID is also email. Under email, also we put input. Okay, that's for email. As you can see, our HTML form is not yet nice to see, because it needs to have a CSS so that we can manipulate all the words and elements here in our form. So next is age. Age will be an ID of age. Under it will be also an input. Age is optional, so input. So type is age, placeholder, enter. And for age, we need to put a minimum age and a maximum age. So minimum will be 10 years old. Maximum will be, I think, 100 years old. That's our maximum. Who can fill out this form? Okay, we're done for this part, and then in the part 2 of this series, we'll be covering our drop down menu, and also a radio button and a check box, and also a text box. So see you in the next one. Have a good one, everyone. Peace.